Hi friends, today let's understand one of the most important elements of visual design principles, that is visual hierarchy. A clear visual hierarchy guides the user's eye to focus on the most important elements on the page. It can be created through variations in colors, contrast, scale, and proximity or grouping. Have you ever come across a web page like this which consists of a lot of visual and text elements which makes you confused, or what should we focus on first? If you struggle to find focus on a screen, it's very likely that the layout is missing a clear visual hierarchy. While creating a proper visual hierarchy, keep these three elements in your mind. First one, color and contrast. Second, scale. And third, grouping, which consists of proximity. So let's understand all these three elements one by one along with the examples. So the first element, that is color and contrast. As a best practice, designers should always use color or contrast or both to create visual hierarchy on the web page. Applying color to a design makes some elements appear to advance and others to recede, and therefore it determines what grabs the user's attention and the importance that we assign to various design elements. So in this example, if we see, there are multiple elements displayed at a time, but we can easily focus on key elements like helpline number and their key services that is site wants to promote. And if user wants to know more about its services, he or she can click on our services CTA, which is highlighted in yellow color. The image used in the background is saturated to focus more on text and the buttons. It blends perfectly with each other. This is one of the best examples for using colors and contrast in your website. So now let's look at the second element, that is scale. Bigger elements stand out more easily and attract users' attention. So size can be used to mark importance. So in this example, if we see, the descriptive text is shown in a bigger font along with the sofa as a furniture product in a bigger size, so that user can focus on these two important elements at a first glance. So this is how we can use the scale elements when we are showing the visual hierarchy. Now let's look at the third element, that is grouping or proximity. So grouping or proximity allows users to focus on those areas of the screen that are likely to be relevant to achieve their goal. So grouping is usually conveyed indirectly through proximity. So in this example, if we see, all three products along with their names and product image are placed in different equal blocks with sufficient gutter space. Visually, it's easy to scan all three blocks at a time. So to conclude, always define the visual hierarchy of the content and key elements that you want the user to focus on first. Once you establish this hierarchy, focus on applying the variation that we talked about, like color and contrast, scale, or grouping. Thanks for watching the video, and please subscribe to my channel and press the like button. And if you have any comments, please share your comments below.